Hi guys, today we are going to make this orange upside down cake. Hope you're going to enjoy. So first things first, we are going to need to peel our oranges. Yeah, so I peeled about 4 oranges. Yeah, 2 tangerines and 2 large oranges. Yeah, so guys, what are your thoughts about the new intro video? How is it? And then you're also going to tell me what you think about the outro. I've made some few adjustments. Hope you're going to like it because I'm absolutely in love with it. Once you're done cutting oranges in a clean sufuria or just the pot of your preference, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Then you're also going to add 1 cup of water. Yes, you're going to whisk that until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves, you're going to add in your oranges and let them simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Adding the oranges to the sugar syrup helps the oranges to gain this sweet taste in case your oranges had this bitter taste, you know. Next, in a clean bowl, we are going to whisk our eggs and we are going to beat the eggs one by one. So in this video, I used 3 large eggs at medium temperature. So after whisking your 3 eggs, next you are going to add in 3/4 cup of sugar. So I never wanted to add a lot of sugar because I had already added my oranges to the sugar syrup and that was so much enough sugar. So add your sugar and continue whisking until everything is nicely incorporated. Next, you're going to add in vanilla essence, that is about 1 teaspoon. Then go in and add 2 tablespoons of butter, that is softened butter, and continue mixing it until everything is nicely incorporated. Next, you're going to grate the orange zest. Yes, and make sure you're using the smallest holes in your grater. So I zested 1 orange, or just I grated 1 orange. Okay, then you're going to add the lemon zest to your mixture. Yes, to your liquid mixture. So make sure, so the thing is, you just want to taste the orange taste, but you don't want to chew the orange zest. Okay. After grating your orange, I'm going to still use the same orange and squeeze the juice out of it. Yes, so I just used 1 orange, and then the juice I'm going to add it to my mixture. Whisk everything nicely until everything is well incorporated. Next, I sieved 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I added 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and then I added 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. After adding the dry ingredients, I added my milk as I continued to whisk. So continue whisking until your butter is nicely incorporated. Make sure the butter has no lumps. Next, in your baking pan, you're going to butter it with butter. Then you're going to add in your orange slices. Yes, the orange slices that you had put in the sugar syrup. Then you're going to add your butter on it and bake it for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So guys, here's my cake. Just look how amazing it is. I inserted my knife and it came out clean. Yeah, then of course I had to do the upside thing. I overturned my cake and guys, it looked amazing. Yes, just look at it. It was very, very amazing. So guys, this is what I had for you for today. Hope you are going to enjoy. Yes, this cake was very, very sweet, and it has like the best of the best. So guys, till next time, it's bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and take care till we meet next time. Bye.